Give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Hi folks, Lisa the Ukulele Fool here. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about doing storytelling with both your ukulele and your voice, and in particular with your strumming hand. So let's dive into it. You only need these basic chords. This song was made popular by Dobie Gray. I think it's Dobie rather than Dobie, but Dobie Gray. It's been done by other artists like Uncle Kraker, so a very famous song. Thanks to Jennifer and Chris for suggesting this song. I've had so much fun learning it myself in order to share it with you. Let's go over some of the basic premises and then we'll dive into the details. Stories frequently start out quiet. Little introduction, and then you build the action as you go along. You get up to a peak and then you pull it back just a little. Can't be exciting battles all the time, but you don't pull it all the way back, and then you do another peak and then you quickly slide off into that happy ever after. This song gives us a perfect opportunity to use that story structure that is used so frequently. We have different parts of this song. There are 3 verses, there's the chorus, there's a bridge, and in between the chorus and another verse is a little interlude. And then of course we have an outro to get us out of the song as well. Let's get into the specific details of what we can do with this song. The first verse. When you look at the lyrics, you've got, confused, rain, lose, shame, all these things. You would not probably be broadcasting this out, on your social media or even loudly at a restaurant. This would be something where you would be talking more intimately with a friend. So kind of get that in your mind that you're telling, hey, things aren't going quite the way that I want them to. And you bring the volume of your voice down, but not just down. You want to make it more conversational, and you do that by shortening the vowel sounds. You don't stretch out your vowel sounds at the end of the phrases, you just kind of taper them off quickly. For the strumming pattern, keeping it sparse to keep it more intimate. All the chords in this chord chart that play along, and then also for my patrons that get a print copy of this chord chart, you have 4 beats per chord symbol, except if they're in yellow, and then they only get 2 beats. First verse, keeping it super sparse, just a down, rest, down, rest. And I'm doing it with my thumb and keeping the volume nice and soft. When you get to the F and G, where it's only 2 beats per, just one F, rest, and G, rest. Now I do that until the very last F in the verse, where then I would go to a basic rock strum right there to help push it into the chorus. So let's just get your ukulele, let's give this a try. Day, there's your starting pitch, ready, begin. Day after day I'm more confused, yet I look for the light through the pouring rain. You know that's a game I hate to lose. I'm feeling the strain, ain't it a shame? Oh. And then that gets us into the chorus. And so just giving a little bit more push on that F chord here with both the strumming hand, and then also, ain't it a shame, getting a little more volume with our voice. Let's go on to the first time we hear the chorus. In this first chorus, we're going to hold some things back in reserve, both with our strumming and our vocals. We're not going to sustain the ends, drift away. We're going to sustain a little, but we're going to taper off at the ends. On the strumming, we're going to keep the basic rock strum, 3, down, up, 1, 2, 3, down, up. But we're not going to do a whole lot of volume on it. So grab your ukulele, let's do the chorus. Oh, is your starting pitch 1, 2, and you. Oh, give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Oh, give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. So the driftaways, I'm holding out for maybe 2 beats of the down, 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 up. I'm off already. So the first 2 beats of that basic rock strum, if you wanted a rule, but rules, are meant to be broken. The next thing we have is the interlude, and the interlude is going to help us dial it back a little bit to get into a verse. The interlude, the C and G, only get 2 beats. I keep the basic rock strum for the F and C, but on the C and G, I would do a down, down, up, down, down, up, F, 2, 3, down, up, C, 2, 3, down, up. For the second verse, in general, we want a little bit louder than the first verse, but we don't want to give everything all away. It's still kind of melancholy with these words, so keeping it subdued. We're going to keep the basic rock strum, except for when you have the F and G, you're going to go a 2-beat strum. F, down, up, G, down, up, C. Just like we did with the instrumental interlude. Same thing. I'm going to pick up the volume even more when we get to the last line where you're going, and I'm counting on you to carry me through. I'm going to add more volume on my instrument to get us into the chorus and also vocally, and I'm going to sustain some more. So those are the tricks that I'm using to tell the story. Let's do it together. Beginning is your starting pitch. 1, 2, here we go. Beginning to think I'm wasting time. Don't understand the things I do. The world outside looks so unkind. I'm counting on you to carry me through. We go into the chorus again. By the last line of the second chorus, we want to be at that first big peak. So how are we going to do it? We're going to change up the strum. We are going to do down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. Vocally, you want to put more volume in it, and you want to add some vibrato, particularly on the drift away. Hey, that's vibrato, and you want pretty big, deep vibratos. So let's get to that first peak. 1, 2, here we go. Give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Oh, give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. So notice I started tapering it off on that drift away. That's to get into the interlude. We're going to bring back that interlude where we're going to just do a C, down, up, G, down, F, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, C, down, up. So we're going to take that 2-beat strum and extend it to 4 beats for the F and C on the interlude. And we're going to keep that pattern as we go into the bridge. What's a bridge? A bridge is brand new material. It's a fancy way of saying that. Generally the chords and the melody are different, and generally the lyrics are different too. We're going to do a down, down, up, down, down, up, and all these chords get 4 beats. So let's try the bridge. And when is how it starts. 1, 2, here go. And when my mind is free, no melody can move me. And when I'm feeling blue, the guitar's coming through to soothe me. Notice I have a lot more sustain in my voice happening as well, because this is much happier than that first verse, so we want to be, more melodic about it. Less conversation, less talking. I'm saying that to myself. Now we're at the third verse. We're going to be building up to the final peak, and we are wanting to be more active with our strumming, so we're going to keep that more active down, down, up, down, down, up from the bridge. You could do an island strum, but I feel like after all this very nice, straightforward, kind of almost rock and roll sound, that the island strum is just a little too syncopated. So I'm keeping it more straight with the rhythm. I don't think the island strum's a good thing. Let's do the down, down, up for all the 4 beat chords and just one for that F and G. 2 and here we go. Thanks for the joy that you've given me. I want you to know I believe in your song, and the rhythm and the rhyme and the harmony. You help me along, making me strong. Give me the beat, boy. Oh, and so more sustain on the end of those phrases, making me strong. You can really let it belt out because we're going to let it unleash on the chorus. We are building this song, and just like Dobie Gray does, he adds clapping. Give me the beat, boys, feed my soul. So we're going to hit our instrument. And the closer that I hit my instrument to the bridge here, the more vibration and sound I get off of. So give me the beat, boys, down. So smack it. You will not hurt your ukulele. Or let's put it this way, I've never hurt my ukulele doing that. This is a good ukulele though. We're going to do one more thing to make the chorus special. Going to add an extra F on that first drift away. What I mean, gonna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Drift away. Oh, give me the beat. So this is unexpected. It's not, and it's celebratory. So, just changing it up a little bit more, telling the story, making it really strong here for the final chorus that's coming up. So let's do it. Give me 1, 2, and here we go. Give me the beat, boys, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Drift away. Oh, give me the beat, boys, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. And now we have the final chorus, and we are going to go to the down. Try to give it as much as you can vocally. Hopefully you can invite other people to sing with you, which is always lots of fun. And down, up, chuck up, down, up, chuck up. 1, 2, and here we go. Give me the beat, boys, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Oh, give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Oh, notice I started coming down because I'm preparing my audience like sorry folks, this is going to be the ending. So speaking of the ending, here's how it goes. Na, 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 won't you take me away? Keep this same strum, won't take me away, but getting a lot softer. Like that. Now that we've gone over all the details, let's put it all together, but I want to thank my patrons before I do, because I could not be doing this without your support, both your encouragement, suggestions, and the very important financial support. If you'd like to support this channel, it starts at $3 a month, and you get rewards. You get access to all my chord charts. There's over 250, we're getting up close to 300 chord charts. And you also get 2 live Zoom sessions a month with me where we jam, and you can ask me questions, and they're always recorded, so you can do it on a replay if you'd like. Come and join me on Patreon. I'd love to see you there, and I'd love to get to know you and help you on your ukulele journey. Day 1, 2, here we go. Day after day, I'm more confused. Yet I look for the light through the pouring rain. You know that's a game that I hate to lose. I'm feeling the strain. Ain't it a shame? So give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Oh, give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Beginning to think that I'm wasting time. I don't understand the things I do. The world outside looks so unkind. And I'm counting on you to carry me through. Give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Oh, give me the beat, boys, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. And when my mind is free, you know a melody can move me. And when I'm feeling blue, the guitar's coming through to soothe me. Thanks for the joy that you're giving me. I want you to know I believe in your song, and the rhythm and the rhyme and the harmony. You help me along, making me strong. Oh, give me the beat, boys, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Drift away. Oh, give me the beat, boys, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boys, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Oh, give me the beat, boys, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Na na na, won't you take me away? Oh, take me. How did you do? Do you feel like you've gotten a handle on how you can do more storytelling? I mean, it's just, you know, if you've ever performed on an open mic or even on a stage, you're finding like, oh my gosh, you know, it's just me and this little instrument and I can't even hide behind it. So I hope this has given you some confidence and ideas in how you can make your playing more story-like. If you want another suggestion, try Love Story by Taylor Swift. I talk about the storytelling in that tutorial as well. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and thanks again to my patrons. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.